right, folks, so the heat is on, and if you're in the Old Hope Road area, you're going to want to make this roadside stop to cool down.
Our Street Eats feature took us to the busy Old Hope Road in Kingston to Ken's Cane Juice Van. Literally a street eat, the famous sugarcane mill extracts gallons of rich, healthy juice daily right here on the sidewalk. This business is run by electrician turned truck driver and now popularly known as Cane Juice Man, Kenley Slater. Ken has been making the healthy drink for 2 years, serving all who traverse the busy thoroughfare.
I left Spalding when I was about 17 years of age. Come in Kingston, get a driver's license, and make a start.
While it's nowhere near a multi-million-dollar enterprise, Ken admits that it's just enough to sustain an average lifestyle.
You can make a change. You make a change, a reasonable change that you can go to the bush, buy back stuff, go to the backer factory, buy back and all that, give me like a second a thing, and me myself achieve something and it keep it going.
For Ken, his cane mill provides a win-win situation for himself as well as his customers. The benefits of drinking cane juice are plenty, and how awesome it is to have such easy access to this refreshing medicine food at a cost of just $150 a bottle.
A lot of people come here, instead of using the processed sugar, they stick to the natural sugar. So in many ways, cane juice is good.
In many places where sugarcane is commercially grown, like Jamaica, the peeled cane is crushed in a mill to produce the beverage. As for its benefits, the juice is known to be an instant energy booster and thirst quencher. No surprise then that it's a popular summer drink. Curious about how it gets from stock to bottle? Ken has a little demo for us.
After we come here with the cane, we prepare it, like clean it up, clean it like this, all the way, all pieces, and then right here we have the water. There's a container on top of the van that contains the water. So we prepare a pipe, and from this pipe we get the water, and we wash it. We wash it thoroughly. So after we wash them here, then we bring it to the mill, and in doing so, we start the juicing. The juice gradually comes down in the container. So we keep turning and turning until it's full. So we're going to do a bit of straining. The reason for the fine strainer, it keep away the jugs and all that, the cane trash jugs. After the customers get it, we generally teach them that we must take it to the fridge and freeze it, because if you keep it in the lower part of the fridge, it's going to spoil.
Well, there you have it, another great street eat. Cane juice from Ken.
All right, folks, we'll be right back. News is next, then I'm going to introduce you to a really sexy vehicle. Seriously, we'll be right back with more on Smile.